In order to perform the fish pose, you want to sit down on the floor comfortably on your mat. Bring your feet together nice and gently and tight. You want to sit back or lay back, bringing your forearms and elbows down to the ground with both hands flat on the ground, palms down, right beside your hips. You're going to walk out very slowly as you gently tilt your head back and drop the top of your head to the floor. Once your head relaxes there, you can go ahead and bring both arms down, shoulders down, and put them flat down on the ground beside your hips. To come out of it, bring your elbows back up, push up on your elbows, and walk back up into a sitting position.